Alright guys, I walked this down last night, and I believe he's working out of this molehill right here. And it looks like he went maybe 2 feet to one direction and came back out this way. And that area right there looks really fresh. So I'm not going to do anything to it for the moment. I'm hoping that he's there. So I'm just going to walk away and check another mole. Come back. We shall see. All right, I haven't seen any movement. So I'm going to go ahead and crunch all this back down. That looks really fresh right there. I'm hoping that that dude is right there. Get all this, walk back down. It's hard to believe in all this really dry dirt that they're going to come back out and work, but all right, we shall see. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Haha. All right. How about that? Man, this neighbor is going to be so excited. I walked this down last night. I've been after this guy for a while, and he has just been tearing up this yard. He is a good sized one. He's been making some massive runs, and I shot a video this morning of me walking down some of these runs, and I've been trying to figure out what his schedule is because I've been checking on him at night and he hasn't been moving. So I had a great opportunity this morning to walk down some runs last night, come check him this morning. He had a good little area, worked back up, and I just came back. I've been checking him now. I started a stopwatch. This is probably about 2.5 hours. I just swing back by and check every once in a while. And I came back and I saw where he had already come out and had all these runs worked back up. He has probably, he's probably come out about 6 feet or so. And again, this neighbor is gonna be excited. All right. God bless you all from the Mole Eliminator. Check out some of my videos, especially the ones with tutorials. Let me teach you how to catch some moles.